first interaction part is like good morning. So good morning, Pushpita, and you have to say good morning back, right?
Good morning, sir.
Okay. So tell me something about your daily activity. What do you do on a regular basis? Like what is your daily routine?
Okay. Actually, sir, my daily routine is kind of boring because I like from Monday to Friday, because I have to wake up around 6, then make some food, then I will go to office around 8. Then after office, I came back.
After office, I come back, right? Come back.
After office, I come back around 8:30 if on evening. Then I'm making food.
Then again, I make food, right? You have got to use all the time present, simple present tense, while expressing your daily life activities
Daily
because
life.
it happens on a
Okay,
regular basis.
okay. Then I make food, like then I make dinner, had dinner. After that,
Have dinner, not had dinner.
have
Had
dinner.
dinner means like
Have,
past tense of have. Yes.
yes, have dinner. Then make some family, spend some time with my family. Then go to sleep.
Hmm. Okay. So this is so. Don't you go outside? Like sometimes on Sundays, don't you prefer going outside?
In Sundays, yes, sometimes I go to Sundays outside. It's depend basically on the weather, because most of the time in Bangalore's weather is cloudy and raining. So in raining, I don't go outside. So
Hmm. When it rains.
whenever the weather is nice,
Hmm.
I go to outside. Yes,
So
For Sunday or Saturday evening or Sunday evening.
okay, so these are the 2 days when you are basically free, right? On Saturday and Sunday, and you have 5 days working, right, in the company. Hmm. So you tell me about you told me earlier about the weather of Bangalore. That is very pleasant. So, like, how is the weather? Tell me something about the weather.
Uh, It's pleasant. Obviously, it's pleasant, but nowadays it's mostly raining. Like around 7 days of a week, in three 3 days it's raining. Like every alternative days it's raining. So
So it is
raining
kind of
and cloudy.
so even now the weather is cloudy a little bit, right?
Yes, today it's little bit cloudy.
Okay. So do you think that it might rain today? Or there is a possibility of having rain today?
No, not today.
Hmm. But what about tomorrow? It might rain tomorrow. You may think. You
Hmm?
said earlier, right? Every alternative days it rains
Yes,
in Bangalore.
see, in Bangalore, if continuously 2 days are temperature are increased, then alternately third days will rain.
Hmm. Okay. So what is the
So it
temperature? Yes.
basically depends on that weather. Like if it's continuously 2 days, it's going like go to full sign or shining weather, then and hot temperature little bit. Then next day it's rain.
Hmm. Okay. So basically here in India it is winter, right? In most of the places. Suppose like in my place it's also very cold. As you can see, I'm wearing a sweater, right? So what
Yes.
about the weather of Bangalore? So how is the weather of Bangalore?
Sir, yes, it's cold, but not that much in like west or north other part of India, because temperature is most of the time stay in Bangalore. But maybe like in winter it's like reduce only 1 or 2 degrees, like that.
Hmm.
Like
The weather is most of the time constant, right? In Bangalore, as you were saying. Hmm.
yes, like 1670s are not 16 also. 18, 19 and mainly.
18
18,
or 19
19
degree
degree
centigrade.
temperature and mainly stable is here.
Okay. So in Bangalore, we can basically say it is neither too cold, neither nor too hot, right? So
Yes.
yeah, the weather is kind of pleasant in Bangalore. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
and Bangalore is also famous for its weather. I have also heard. Like, what are the things that a person, if a man or a woman, a person basically wants to visit Bangalore, that what are the visiting places that that person can visit?
Yes, but if it's shining, no, then around 2 or 1 or 3 between the daytime 1 or 3, the temperature like sunlight it's too hot.
Mhm.
So on that time it's like a little bit difficult to go outside or
Mhm.
like that.
Mm. No, suppose like what about visiting places? Like if I want to go to Bangalore, then what are the visiting places that I can visit in Bangalore?
So if you want to visit in proper Bangalore, then some places are there.
Mhm.
But like from Bangalore, you can visit like somewhere like Ooty, Coorg, Munnar, Kunnur, then Pondicherry, then Kerala and Chennai. Like all most of the all south places from Bangalore, it's take 6 to 10 hours.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, you mentioned about Pondicherry, right? Pondicherry is a union territory, so it's also near to Bangalore.
Like one night journey from
One
here.
night journey. Okay. Okay. Have you ever
But
been
here
to
from
Lakshadweep?
Bangalore, it's Sri Lanka is near.
Sri Lanka is near. Okay. Hmm. So have you ever been to Lakshadweep or any other sea beach areas?
Not in Bangalore, out like Puri or Digha I went, but
Hmm.
not in south
Okay, okay,
place.
okay. So you basically went to the seashores situated in like on the bank of Bay of Bengal, but not Arabian Sea, right? Hmm.
Sir, are you have your breakfast?
No, I haven't had my breakfast yet. I will have my breakfast after finishing the class. What about you,
Sir,
Bhai?
no, sir, I'm gonna have. Then it's not a breakfast, it will be brunch after 11.
After no, you can say it's breakfast because if it is like if it cross 12 o'clock in the evening, then you can say it's lunch. But before 12 o'clock, you can say breakfast because before 12 o'clock it's morning, right?
Okay.
So, do you have any plan for holiday recently?
Yes, like as my parents will come on this Christmas year, so with parents I will visit Mysore. Like I'm planning to visit Mysore.
Mysore. Okay, it's also situated in Karnataka, I guess.
Yes,
Mm.
it's take 3 hours around time to Bangalore.
Okay. So, what is special about Mysore? What are the visiting places there in Mysore?
Uh, in Mysore, see, Mysore is famous for Mysore Palace.
Mysore Palace.
Okay. Yes. And other than Mysore, like the in that road, like towards the Mysore road, you can visit like some place. I just forgot that name. Yes, Srirangapattanam, which is where some of Tipu Sultan's uh, say Shomadhi English, Shomadhi or
Tomb, tomb,
Sthapoty
tomb,
English,
tomb, tomb, tomb of
Doom.
Tipu Sultan. Yes, you
Yes,
can say.
see, Sultan's doom and some of palace of Tipu Sultan's palace are situated in Srirangapattanam,
Mm.
which you can visit. After that, when you reach Mysore, there are two places basically in Mysore. One is Mysore Church, and which is actually famous, and second is Mysore Palace.
Okay. So Mysore is basically famous for its historical interest.
Yes, historical. What you say?
Interest. That means
Interest.
something is related to history situated there in Mysore. Yeah, obviously Tipu Sultan we have all read on our history books, right, about Tipu Sultan. Okay, yes.
Yes. So,
And
for Mysore Palace, there are also two other places, which is one is Vrindavan Garden, which basically a kind of garden, not kind of basically a garden,
mhm.
but in evening they are doing light and sound show, so that is actually beautiful, and that Vrindavan garden is situated beside a Kaveri dam.
Okay,
Okay,
yes,
so
yes. Kaveri
so
River is there.
that is seriously beautiful place, and one is Chamundeshwari Mandir temple, which is
Chamundeshwari.
also situated nearby Mysore.
Chamundeshwari is another name of goddess Kali, I guess, right?
Yes,
Mm.
yes,
So Kali Mandir basically is there, Kali temple.
yes.
Mm.
But as our in West Bengal, how we are see Ma Kali's murti, but
Mm.
their murti or idol, it's
Mm.
kind of different. Like in Bangalore also, their idol kind of different type.
Okay, okay. Mm. There is a distinction between the idols of West Bengal and Bangalore, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I have also heard Pushpita about the airport in Bangalore. It's like it's very beautiful. I have heard that. So tell me something about the airport. Is it truly beautiful?
Yes, yes. This is correct. Actually, Bangalore airport, it's too good. They are like even till now they are making some things over there. So like what I said, so like in Kolkata outside there is a small place to sit down, right? Like whoever visitors or whoever come to drop or receive the passenger, there is no such place to sit down or wait.
Okay, yeah, yeah. In
Like
Kolkata airport,
Uh,
basically.
but uh, but in Bangalore also, like outside of that place, proper like entry place, it's also good. You have a proper cafeteria option. You have where sometimes there happen like uh, live concert or live performance over there.
Mm.
Like you can use, like you can sat and like you can sit and wait for around 2 to 4 hours for watching these things.
Mm.
And in airport also, yes, this is like Bangalore airport, it's too big, like uh it will take around 15 to 20 minutes by walk to like to report or to reach that
Reach. Mm.
uh এটাকে কি বলে? To reach the departure area.
Mm.
So, and in that road, you can saw some like they are making some forest, some little bit, like not that much, but some little bit garden. They are using some sculpture also over there. So it's like really it's beautiful.
Mm. So people can't be bored, right? Sitting there in the airport. So there are many
No.
mediums of entertainment for people exist there in the airport, right? Alright.
Yes.
Mm. That's good. Yeah. I would definitely like to visit once that Bangalore airport if I go to Bangalore.
You should, sir. You should.
Yeah.
You should. But if you want to stay here, then it's quite difficult because see, you can find that Athiti hotel English teacher.
Hospitality.
Yes, you can find the hospitality over there. Like, which is the main thing of our West Bengal.
Okay, in West Bengal there is an environment of hospitality, right? But
yes,
what
like I
about
remember one of my colleague, Kerala colleague, like he used to work with me. My colleague recently visited Odisha, Bhubaneswar and Kolkata. See, okay. After he came back, he told me that Pushpita, their people are so humble and their hospitality is so good. Like honestly, I'm saying rather like he's saying ki I stay Bangalore over 2 or 3 years. I stay at Pune also over 6 years, but I never find that kind of hospitality or humble things in other places. So that's the main thing.
Okay, yeah. This is like the a little bit cultural difference, I would say, right?
Yes. In Bangalore, you will find so many temples over here.
Yeah, in all other areas, Bangalore is good. Like, so, yeah, whenever it comes to weather,
In all
visiting
around
places,
areas.
all other areas.
All other areas, yes. And in Bangalore, there are such a things. You can if you want, you can go like Nandi Hills. One is Nandi Hills, which is actually famous for for see the sunrise.
For seeing the sunrise.
For seeing the sunrise, and you can trek the other places like Kondogiri are there. Some other little bit hills are there. So if you want to trekking, then you can go over there.
If you want to do tracking or if you want to track, then you can go there, right? So this is the
To
correct
track.
phrase to use.
What is your today's plan?
Today's plan, I may go outside on a bike ride. I may go outside and yeah, basically on Sundays I go outside on my bike and visit different places. Although all of the places I have visited already. So Pushpita, yeah, we have talked about a lot of things about Bangalore and its places and all of these things. So it was really nice conversation today.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So have a good day today. Okay, and enjoy
Have
your
a good day
Sunday.
to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Prashida.